Of course, you're asking yourself, where do I go to get a source of high quality replacement line cords? The answer is, of course, high quality appliances that have seen better days and that you're about to send to recycling, that you've cut the line cord off to use. And of course, this has a side benefit that whoever runs into that old appliance that may be dangerous isn't tempted to take it with them and plug it in. But of course, what happens if you don't have any more, seen better days appliances whose line cords you're willing to cut off? Where do you go to get line cords? Well, this is where I go, Walmart. 6-foot extension cord works every time. Now, all you have to do is cut off the female end and you've got yourself a line cord. But then, of course, you're asking, well, what do you do with the female end that you've cut off? And fear not, we reuse everything here. And so the answer is, here it is, on the Cliff Quick test, in case I need to plug something in. I just noticed the hot side is labeled. So there you go. There's where one goes to get line cords.